All right, guys, so we made it to our bed and breakfast. It's called Racer's Retreat. It's a lady's home, and she just rents out 4 bedrooms. Me and one of my buddies ended up just snagging 2 of the rooms, so I'm not sure how they didn't get sold out, but it is right here across the street from the track. Literally walking distance. Looks like people are pulling in, so I think we're gonna go ahead and just start heading over there. Made it in. We're just gonna cruise through here, see if we can find somewhere to park. Alright, so we made it out here. We're all unloaded. This track is sick. It's a couple mile long road course, and they have all these condos and stuff lined along the sides of the track, so it's pretty rad. We're not doing anything today. We're just here a day early to unload and just kind of check things out, just to make tomorrow easier. Alright guys, so we're back at the room. The place is absolutely amazing. There's condos lined throughout the whole thing. The track's a couple miles long. Bunch of elevation changes. I rode the mini bike around the area just to kind of check it out. It's got pool and go-kart track and all kinds of stuff, so it's super rad. But that's going to be a wrap for today, and we'll catch up back with you guys tomorrow, and we'll start driving. have one set of tires left. We're just kind of hanging out. I don't want to waste them, so I got all the other E30s. There's 4 of us here. Got all of us together. We're going to go out and do a 4-car E30 tandem. Hopefully it'll be pretty sweet. So you'll see right here, I did not expect us to start this far back. So I spent this entire run just playing catch up, which sucks because this is the only run that all 3 of us went out. But here it is anyways.
You need a license to fish in Florida?
Oh my God.
It was a cane pole. You're allowed to fish in Osceola County with a cane pole. The Blue E30's going back out. I don't even know how he has tires. I think he's borrowing someone else's tires at this point because look at these dirt drops. Look at that handbrake pull. And
he's going out. Spinners are winners, boys. Oh, wow. They just keep on going.
Just said donuts and donuts. The Porsche. He's
boys.
probably out of tire is what it is. I'm telling you.
He probably wet his pants. I would have. Look
Look
how
at
close
the
that
instant
is.
replay. This is
And then wait for the back to come around.
grade A drivers.
He's like, don't let off, don't let off.
He
Yes.
doesn't let off, which is a big mistake, and not a big mistake there, but a lot of people make that mistake, and it worked out flawlessly. Now both drivers are, well, one of the drivers is already driven away.
All right, guys, so we're back from the event. We're actually just right across the street. The event was awesome. It was a ton of fun. We got a lot of laps in. I mean, I could drive more, but I drove all the tires that I had. So the cool shirt I made, phenomenal, ice cold. I'd be better off just sitting in the car wearing that shirt all day than sitting in the shade or somewhere in front of a fan. So that's a big win. Other than that, today was just fantastic. Drove all day, it was fast. The last lap I did, there's 4 E30s. I tried getting all of us. I only got 3 of us together. And my tires were completely bald and I spun going into one of the corners, but luckily the guy that I met behind me, his name's Diego. He has another blue E30. He spun with me and didn't hit me, so that's cool. I think he ruined something on his car, blew up his diff. But we got back to the pits and I went to start my car to put it in the trailer. It wouldn't start, made a loud popping noise. Eventually got it to start, it was ticking, and then all of a sudden just went back to normal. So it stinks like coolant. I'm hoping it's not a head gasket or something. Nothing's dripping, so it's probably just burning off before it gets down to the floor. So we'll check it out when we get back home. Whatever it is, we'll get it all handled and get back out there. But I appreciate you guys watching, and like always, like and subscribe to see more. See ya.